anything when concern security, insecurity, this bros he know everything and anything about security and insecurity. In fact, this bros hey God, now security resource and in fact and solution consultant. And again, now correct bros talking about saying now ex-military intelligence officer. As in, if you get military background, you go know say military intelligence officers say they didn't take them play at all. And in case you don't know, talking about what now one time DMI now, I hope say I correct for that one too. The bros they yo and then they call am one sharp name. I go ask am why did they call am AKA that name? Then they call am AKA Captain Blade. If you don't watch that movie Blade, you gonna say anybody when they call when they associate with Blade, that person is sharp scatter. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for today, this morning, for here, for my studio, I get one correct bros. They call my name now, Umar Aliu Babangida, aka Captain Blade. Morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Ratata. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. This your voice. It shows that you don't really command military matters in the past. To not be small.
My name na Aliu Umar Babangida,
Yeah.
and I did from Niger State.
Wow.
I come from one language where Yoruba people they call Takba.
Okay.
And I want to come again now.
Yes. I will talk.
So anyway, as they ask, I go
They talk.
maybe this.
As you call Niger State, so are you serious? Niger State now for doing my NYSC,
You know.
2004, and we first day Pico for 3 weeks.
Okay.
Then they come send us out. The first, in fact, I could stay in a gong.
Okay.
Yeah, so I could do my PP for Niger State College of Education.
Oh, wonderful.
Mina. So after my NYSC, there, I was now retained. So I lectured there for 9 years.
Wow. You know Rich Bida?
I visit Bida, visit Zungeru, visit all those places.
Me,
Small.
I did from Bida.
From Bida, cool.
Yes,
There is
Bida.
one COE in Bida, Gong.
Yeah,
We they
so
go there
many
for
people.
seminars and all of all that.
That's so
Wonderful. I don't know, say you be.
that means you don't eat our food. with that.
I don't eat the food, everything,
You
sir.
don't match. You don't take like much.
Yes, I ate una pepper, I eat una salt.
Yeah, one of us.
Everything, yes,
Yeah,
that's
one
that.
of us.
Anyway, today, boss, we will talk about security and insecurity for this country. Because na areas when you be experts be that. So we would like to hear from you, Gong. Right about now. You go talk more because people now they listen. Because everywhere now people are afraid. People they feel insecure. People they say they don't know what to go happen the next minute. For example, now. Not too long ago, somebody sent me a message for WhatsApp. He said ratata because for traffic report we let them know how the roads they be. Now of course okay. He said sometime I think last week. He said I tell the brother say the road free according to our a map here. He said when the brother enter road he was robbed on the bridge. Now say no verse. So tell your brother say be me rob am. Say me no verse. Sorry for the robbery. So insecurity everywhere and going by the way things don't be for this country now. I don't follow you up. Because honestly, I'm honored, sir, to sit here with you, facing you.
Me too.
In fact, I don't follow you for social media, for your interviews. I say, wow, I like your eloquency, I like your intelligence so much. So since that time, now I could they find way to take reach you, could they follow until I come with one of our bros, the Lisu bros, our guy here. I say that bros, So I'm really honored, and I did proud to people like you serve this country.
Thank you.
In the manner in which you served them while you were in the military. Yes, very well. Because even for me, I like to do military back then. I tried twice, it didn't work when I was in Mina. I tried because I love it so much. And so I like them. So that's why I call military, in fact, I call soldiers the green boys. I love them. Yeah, I studied art and design in school, painting. But my final year project was painting. The topic was painting as an instrument for social, historical, and political.
It is useful now.
Yes, now painting as an instrument for social, historical, and political change. A case study of the 1966 coup d'etat. That was my project.
You get us with they use picture.
Yes.
They say picture. They speak story, 1,000 words.
Yeah.
Waiting you go take one whole book right. You go use one picture talker
to pass the message.
Now you get something where they call subliminal
programming. Wait first, as you don't call them, my body do me one kind. The bros never start, but it does start. More go this short because we come back here. The bros go start. I just talk to those one because time don't reach for us to go break. Let me just talk all those things because I want me you get time where with the combo not go anywhere.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wow.
Just imagine, say, your Peking dey that military.
Yeah.
The kind, military soldier don't become, I don't even know how to put them again.
Okay.
They carry like 20 people work, give one person. They don't forget, say, this soldier now, woman like my mama and your mama Bonamo.
Okay.
And the people where they do this thing, their own children, know they join this work. They know they join this work. We don't see countries where Papa die self now for battlefield, now Peking take over.
Wow.
Carry the war for head. But these ones, their children know they join.
Okay.
And they caught the kind of wahala where we say those people children will join the work, they stretch them like no man business.
Okay.
That is why you see monkey, baboon, rascal, anyhow. They just they dance kokoma everywhere.
Yeah.
You talk about say they rob person. Robbery now, even inside house they rob person now. Not be only when you dey on top bridge.
Okay.
If you no come meet them, then go come meet you.
Okay.
So you find out that all these things
Yeah.
are still soldiers.
Okay.
You know, we get we go handle this thing. So soldier can't be like a sweet drink where they 5 liters. They can't use one drum 200 liters of water dilute them.
Yeah.
This overtasking don't dilute the efficacy, the efficiency,
Okay.
and everything of the soldiers.
Now, make I ask you straight off, right? The way the terrorists or all these attacks that they around and all of that, from your own experience and exposure, right? How people when they listen to us now, right? So as a country, as a people, as individuals, right? How go we take avert terror attacks?
The thing be say as we dey now,
Yeah.
that is rather they talk now koroli. Like I give unto you raw as it be.
Yeah.
The first thing where you go do be say you have to first of all reset your mind.
Okay.
If you no reset your mind, anything where I want talk here no go click.
Okay.
So when you reset that your mind, then you go there ready to receive wetin I want say. And how you want take reset that your mind? First and foremost, you go tell yourself every day when you wake up, say, now you be your own security officer first and foremost.
Wow.
Anyone where government, police, whatever add to you na bonus.
Okay.
When you begin think like that, their own work go dey easier.
Wow.
You understand?
Yes.
So once you don't accept, say now you first be your own security officer.
Yeah.
We now dey ready to begin receive tips and advice on how to avoid all these things.
All these
So
things.
first of all, this terrorism where we dey talk,
Yes.
make you no forget say no be only us dey map of West Africa.
Okay.
So wetin come make us conducively attractive to terrorists? The reason why terrorists find way come sit down here, they preach whatever they are preaching now because of these two religions where we get, we know they like to sit down together.
Okay.
Me, where you see me, so I don't enter church, listen to sermon.
Wow.
I don't pray for mosque because I be Muslim.
Okay.
When we dey in front of camera as religious leaders, wetin we dey talk no be the same thing wey we dey talk for church. I dey listen to you this morning where you dey talk of, is it enemies of the state?
Yes, enemies against the state.
State, beautiful.
Yeah.
These two preachers, a lot of them are enemies against the state because when they come out see camera like
Yes.
way with the studio now, they go say we are one, we worship one God. when they go back to church, now the other people that they call the other religion.
Wow.
We go see religious leader, Krelik, Muslim and Christian. He go say, my Muslim brothers, my Christian brothers. When he dey studio, go hear what they talk for church and mosque.
Yeah.
I dey tell you because I don't dey there, I don't hear them. Now aloneism that they preach for church.
For church. Wow.
Yes. So when we come out now and we start hitting ourselves left, right, and center, the man wey wan sell extremism, abia they call it religious extremism.
Yes.
You don't see market now.
Okay.
You don't see market. Why they no go neighboring countries where they
Go
try to do that kind of nonsense where they call terrorism?
Okay, now this one, so as these bad guys, they everywhere. So people will not get military background like our listeners when they listen now. The woman when they sell for market, the man when get shop for Alaba International, the young boy when they go school. Now in the advent of say all this can happen as far as self-defense is concerned. What you feel say be what they're supposed to know or supposed to do?
Yes, after talking about setting your mind, saying now you be your first security officer, the next thing what you supposed to do now, your eye supposed to chook when you come to security.
Okay.
When I say eye chook, no be only where money they go they chook eye.
Eye. Okay.
Una go they chook eye for una self. Anything where you see where you no understand, make you loud down.
Okay.
These people where they call terrorists, these people where they call kidnappers, bandits, all of them.
Yeah.
They chop. They sleep.
Yes.
They rent house.
Yes.
So how come we don't know them?
Okay.
The reason be simple. Now for Nigeria, you go hear somebody ask you, good morning, sir. Please, can I help you? Are you looking for somebody? Say, don't you know me?
Okay.
Do you know who I am?
Who I am?
The era of that one don't pass. If anybody come your side, you ask him who he be, he say, do you know who I am? Make you raise alarm.
Okay.
Make you raise alarm. They don't come. Oh.
Okay.
By the time we are all circumspect, all of us want to, you go see, say there is no hiding place anymore. You see that they talk, say, ungoverned space. How space one ungoverned?
Okay.
Go round now, the same ungoverned space, poster don't reach there for campaign. Oh.
Wow. Now true. Yeah. True.
So how poster take reach there when if they ungoverned?
Yeah. Very, very correct.
There is no ungoverned space.
Yeah.
So now we ourselves will go take eye govern our space. Anyone where they can add for us by government
can be
bonus.
In fact, somebody, one of our listener from Israel, he said, God be with the man there. You are saying the truth. He say, I just like you. Okay, now I go ask you sharply, sir. Thank God say you be one time in DMI. How, as far as intelligence is concerned, how person fit take, what it be the signs when the normal man fit take, go see, when you go not say, man, he dey in a dangerous situation like kidnap. What if those things when you go see?
Make I talk the other way around now. Go turn them around. You know when you turn your shirt around, you wear them inside out.
Yes, okay, that's good.
You don't wear them normal now, but for countryman to understand me, I go turn them inside out.
Okay.
Now what I am trying to tell you is a straightforward and simple thing.
Yeah.
You see this intelligence. If you are not intelligent, even if intelligence they sleep with you for hours, you no go see them.
Wow. When I hear that one, no, I like that.
Now, you know, say our people, they wise where. Nigerians, they smart. So,
okay.
I want to teach you how you want to gather intelligence.
Yeah.
You see, intelligence, they everywhere. You no need to wait for any special people to give you intelligence where you need.
Okay.
To protect yourself and your family. But you get as you want to do, and that is where the turning the shirt inside out come. Yeah. You have to borrow the eye of a thief.
Wow.
If you like, if you want to carry out this to what they tell you where, just step out of your house on a good day, cross road, turn around, come look yourself. Look your house. Come think, borrow eye and mind of thief. Say, if I want to enter this house, I go do.
Okay.
That thief we want come meet you for house. That terrorist we want strike your street or your town. Now, waiting they see your eye go begin see.
Wow, wonderful.
Then you go back into your house now, write it down, and start doing the counterintelligence
I like
solution.
this. I never heard so before.
You go wear the shirt upside down first.
When I don't hear what I like this. So wow.
You go wear the
that means now you got to think like the thief.
If you don't think like thief, you don't go cash them. You see, you have to think like a monkey. To catch a monkey.
Wonderful. I like this, seriously. In the face of an attack, say buak. Say people they hear gunshot. What will be the first thing when they go do as untrained people. If they hear gunshot or if you hear gunshot, what will be the first thing when you go do? Because at times if the people hear gunshot, they run up and down.
So they run catch the
so
bullet.
they run go catch it. Exactly.
Enter the first. If fear catch you, you dey normal.
Yeah.
If no fear no catch you, you get mental health issue.
Wow.
Maybe you decrease.
Okay.
Next, if you hear that sound of that bullet, it means say you never die. So the next thing you go do, you go find ground, go flat. No be that time you want prove to that your girlfriend say you be man.
Okay.
Bros, you be dead man and you go end up proving.
Okay.
Waiting you know sabi no chook hand there.
Okay.
For that gun to reach wherever you dey, fire means say whatever security they there don't fail.
Okay.
So nothing where you want start security
Again.
wise. My brothers, all those people who go they tell you now how to collect gun from person hand.
Yes.
Now for film, if you know sabi, they never train
you. No
thing say you fit to watch am for film, try am.
Try for real life.
For real life. You know they work like that. If you want to learn how to drive car now for film, you they learn how to drive motor. You know go driving school.
Yeah, true.
You go driving school now.
Yeah.
So no go watch film. They say do like this, do like this,
You
do like
go
this.
do am.
Bros, if you go down your name, na sorry you.
Okay.
So once you just go down there flat,
Yeah.
those are the things you need. Don't even try to look any of them. Say you want see recognize them.
Okay.
Bros, if you look person wey hold gun criminal for eye, it go switch you off.
Wow.
Because he knows say as you don't see am
See
for eye,
so.
tomorrow if you see am, you go recognize am. Yeah, those are the small.
So not
yes.
look up, not look the person face.
Just go and do what they want you to do. First and foremost, na person wey get life, na him dey live.
Okay.
So wetin you wan prove? All the security agencies for Nigeria, we get like 17.
Okay. Wow.
Army, Air Force, Navy, Immigration, Civil Defense, Man o' War, SSS. I go name them for you now. Just make we no waste this more time we get.
Yeah.
If the 17 of them no stop the person we don't reach you na street,
Yeah.
carrying gun, shoot for air, my brother.
Okay.
Once you hear them, secure yourself for your wife's sake, for your children's sake,
Yeah.
for your husband's sake, whatever.
Yes.
Just do what I've told you. And once you are having those three things in mind,
Yeah.
the chances are you will survive.
You will survive and you will live. Okay, now when we go break, you were talking about security awareness, side by side security threats. Okay,
You
so
know, say
make us
again,
understand
another
this
thing,
thing.
beautiful. Another thing where I want to make country people understand, be say, people say be security conscious, be security conscious. You know, they work that way.
Okay.
People say security awareness, security awareness, security awareness. See, security awareness and security consciousness dey, but how?
Okay.
So what me they do, we say, they always try to teach you what the threat is.
Okay.
You see, if you know the threat, naturally consciousness and awareness go enter you. You become compliant immediately. But if you don't know the threat, then how do you become conscious and aware?
Yeah.
So it be like this example, you know, say hen, she go dey sleep safe, mother hen.
Yeah.
But when the small chick, you see eagle they come, you go run enter
Under
under
the
him
mama
mama.
wings, yeah.
That is because the mama don't teach her the threat now.
Okay.
The mama don't teach her the threat. Say you see that thing,
Yes.
na bad thing.
Okay.
Anywhere
So
when
when
I
you
see
sight
am,
am.
just run enter under me. So it doesn't. Mama to say, mama say, look, security conscious. Anywhere you are going, be security conscious. How do
How?
you be security conscious? But when you know the threat,
Yeah.
consciousness will just enter you instanta.
Wow.
You understand? Now so it dey work. If for example now as we sit down here now, if you don't know threat, you no go fear.
Okay.
But what if they come now say snake dey this room? Immediately security awareness don't enter you with that.
Straight
You
up.
go see how you go use this door now.
take off, yeah.
But if you nobody tell you, say just be security conscious, be security conscious. No, conscious of what?
Or what?
So now security threat awareness.
Okay.
Now they bring security consciousness.
Okay.
So we always try to teach people about the threat. Like that example where I give you about going to look at your own house from outside.
Yes.
I don't teach you about the threat and how they behave.
Yeah.
When you enter your house, you go see security awareness.
Go
just
come
dey-
straight.
You go just dey receive alert from your brain. Bam, bam, bam. That's what I go do. That's
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what it be.
That's what it be.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Morning to you.
Mr. Abubakar, I greet you, sir.
Thank you. Now, Umar.
Umar.
Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Omar, good morning, sir.
Sharply, let's go.
That's on Friday they talk.
Let's go.
So thank you for this explanation. Last 2 years when I did for Calabar before I moved to Lagos, one guy like that, we did three where they sleep for inside house. The guy carry gun, open our door, come rob 3 of us, pack our phone, and they tap my guy, tell me we rush him. The guy they tell me we calm down. I thank God for that part where he talks say no be to rush person wey carry gun.
You for no day here this morning, oh.
Yeah.
You for no day here because rush am how you get training for rushing person wey carry gun.
Plan to rush am mobile. We just come ourselves. We just pack our phone.
No, it's not advisable. That is part of what I was telling you about the course you read.
I like that part. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. That course where you read, I tell you, say you can use photograph to program people's mind.
Yeah.
The same thing that they use film program people's mind.
Okay.
You watch film, you see where one Wesley Snipes, whether they call blade, he do like this, before you know, and wow, he don't disarm 50 people. Bros.
How?
A director write that script.
I did tell you, for real life, those 50 people, you know, they are not 50 sticks.
When I was a boy, with the go cinema that time,
Yes.
Get one cinema for Jos that time. Would they go there, go watch film? They say after no they die.
After no they die.
For real life, after they die. So please, make you take time as I tell you, so that you live to tell the story.
Yes. All right, make a pick one other call. Hello, the phone line, straight to the point.
Hello, good morning, Doctor.
Morning to you, sir.
If I know what my name.
Okay.
Calling from Kingdom.
Okay, say hello to Captain. Then go ahead.
Captain, good morning.
I greet you, my brother.
I
good
love
morning.
your brain.
Thank you.
Yes, right.
Thank you.
The thing will happen, you see. Don't you think the way they give appointment, this security appointment in Nigeria is contributing to the insecurity we're having today? So it looks lopsided. That is one tribe is dominating the whole thing. Don't you think if it is balanced, it can help? That's my question.
That is a very good question you ask, my brother. You know, say, this is our country. Me, having served in the armed forces, we no get religion there.
Okay.
Or make I put on more aptly, we know they see religion there.
Okay.
Because, yes, when the enemy come, the enemy doesn't care whether you are a Muslim or Christian.
Wow.
Now, to just level now. So now your brother from another religion ain't go save your life. I dey tell you this thing.
Okay.
I don't go church name Pekin for my cosmate wey dey Liberia.
You mean the guy did Liberia?
He dey Liberia. That time we never get GSM. He send signal message with his daughter name Shalom Odinaka Chukwu.
Send am to you. When be Muslim, you enter church.
Me carry Pekin hold am. We go dedicate am. So this thing where you dey talk is true. You see, we cannot write the history of Nigeria without paying respect and to these two religions.
Okay.
There is no way. We must balance it out. And I can tell you that once we are able to do that, once we are able to make everything that is Nigeria reflect in Nigeria, then you get a balanced, peaceful country. Me, I am not a religious bigot.
Wow.
But I can tell you that in my religion, there is a place where our prophet said we should be fair. There is a place where he said we should recognize the people of the scriptures. There is a chapter dedicated to Mary. Yes, there's a chapter dedicated to Jesus.
Wow.
But when these other mad people come and start talking, please don't listen to that. I tell you, say, these two religions, the clerics, there are clerics where we say when they sit down for front of camera like here now, they go tell you we are one.
Wow.
I don't enter church, I don't enter mosque.
Yeah.
But when they go back, some of them waiting that they go talk about
Different.
the other religion.
Yeah.
When you hear them, you go know, say, that's your program where I listen to for my cars at the enemies of the state.
Yes.
They plenty among us.
Plenty.
Forget about bandits and foreigners.
Yes.
When they come add
exactly.
to what we get. But we say,
exactly. That's what I talk during that time. We ourselves, gone.
I want to see that day where everything we do, just like our flag is green, white, green.
Yeah.
Green gets equal portion to white.
Yes.
White no collect past green.
Past green.
The shade of green and the shade of white are proportional, so you can see a beautiful flag.
Yep.
The same thing should reflect in our religion. The same thing should reflect in our ethnic, everything about us. So you don't call it Nigeria when it is not truly Nigerian. You understand?
Yeah.
The Hausa, the Yoruba, the Igbo, the Efik, the Ibibio, the Taba, everything. The Muslim, the Christian, the Olodumare, Tarubaba, Obatala, Bori, Girmache, all. I'm telling you, there are traditional religions even in the north.
Yeah.
If you've heard of Okoli, Ocholi is a festival that the people in, I think, if you go to the Kebbi State, yes, there's a festival. They're called, they're called what you call they're Bori adherents. You know, if you go to, every place has traditional religion. Okay. Every place has Christians. Every ethnic group has Muslims. Yeah. We need not begin to, exercise one and accept one. And that is recipe for trouble.
What you could tell the average man when not get some defense in the military background, nothing. So okay, before you sleep and when you wake up, what you they look out for as far as security and insecurity they concerned?
By the time you adapt your mind to what I tell you, then you do the things where I tell you about your house or even your street. You go see, say, naturally, the things will go make you sleep with your two eyes closed. Don't already set. You go discover, say, from that time onward, somehow, all those bad boys way full in a corner, they don't begin come out.
Okay.
When una don't begin chook eye, say no be only money matter you go chook eye. Make your eye they chook for who they there, who know they there, who this one be.
Okay.
And anybody where you ask who him be, say you don't know me. I am so now those kind of person you supposed to raise alarm, call people.
Okay.
We don't know this oga, we ask him, he won't begin. When 200 million people, Nigerians, can't get that mindset.
Yes.
There is no ungoverned space, as I tell you. None, because poster don't fool everywhere now, including the ungoverned space.
Yes.
The average estate. For Lagos, I talk the one where I know. At least some estates, you go get 10,000 people there.
Okay.
Then just 6 people
go
or 9 people go just turn estate.
Shake the whole estate.
You can't sleep, you can't eat, you can't drink water, drop cup again. No.
Yeah.
When we say if we dice them, you know how they dice carrot.
They
no go round.
Yes. Yes.
So that is just the issue. By the time where you know where they live, you know where they chop, you know where. Nah. You go see everywhere go everywhere. One of my assignments where I do when I did service, you get one picking that time where they thief her motor for Unilag. So our oga can send us, make we go find the motor. We find the motor. When we find the motor, we go meet oga, say make we storm that yard, make we carry. He say no, make we na go bring the motor out. So we enter there for night again with thief motor. See,
okay,
bros.
You say we enter with thief motor.
I tell you, we collect the motor, we finish and repair them everything. The ignition we then scatter, we repair and give the girl. Say, oh yeah, drive your motor, go. You cannot call this.
Drive, go
school. Those boys, they don't leave Lagos.
Sure.
For the rest of their life, anywhere they go, they look back. And that's why they scare. Yeah. 6, 3, 4 people for campus go just become lion.
Yeah.
Now because we no understand.
Okay.
But when they drop this tip, how una go handle them? When una know everything about them, where they chop, where they sleep, where they eat. Nah, una no go see them again.
They go run far.
They go move.
Okay. Traffic robbery. Intelligence wise, how person go fit take no say the way this thing don't be so these boys fit there around. What they go they look at for? You when they inside motor they drive or you want be passenger or how?
Say traffic and robbery. They synonymous to so many towns. Make I no discriminate against our Lagos.
Yes.
But let me tell you something about robbery. Robbery na risky business.
Okay.
Na very risky business. So the thing where
even the robbers,
they not no be person will get life they rob.
Okay.
So what thing they make them rob you for traffic?
Yeah.
Now something where we they do where even normal. Let's be true to ourselves.
Yes.
Road safety wise, it's not good to do it.
Okay.
What thing concern you where they inside motor they drive with tweeting?
Okay.
Then you will be passenger.
Yes.
Now inside traffic, you want show that your expensive Android phone, abi?
Okay.
When Sapa they hit boys.
Wow.
Yeah. Sapa the hit boys.
Okay.
Come what are your expensive
Yeah.
hydro? I mean, how did they call them? Pro Max them.
Yeah, Pro Max,
and
yes.
all those
All
ones
those
them
ones, yeah.
them. You
Okay.
can't come out that one when Sapa the hit boys.
Okay.
They say hungry man is an angry man.
Hmm.
Please, for that little time you are in traffic, just put that phone in your bag now.
Okay.
If you get the one where they ear,
Yeah.
Kuku just wear that one first.
Wow.
That is the sugar or the honey that attracts the bees. So when they stroll, they behave like they sell gala or all those things. What they do?
Yeah.
They don't see you. Oh, that one girl. Before you know them, they don't come. They break glass, they collect them. Before you recover,
Yes.
you don't jump down from flyover. Self. Some of them go collect them on top. They jump down before you don't go.
Don't go.
So when you do all these things, it go reduce, your vulnerability status.
Okay.
You know, say some people get what they call robbery, kidnap. Some people get kidnap value. Some people get ransom value.
Wow.
Some people even get robbery value, which they append to themselves without knowing.
So some people get kidnap value. They
Yes,
don't know they get that.
yes, now they call kidnappers.
Wonderful. By yourself, you
By
don't know.
yourself, when your house help, they pay them 18,000 minimum wage.
Yes.
Meanwhile, you use like 20 million, bury your mama, block the whole street.
Okay. Una dey hear so.
The
Wow.
boy go call him friend, say, bros,
Mona come.
Mona come. We go split this thing now. That
Okay.
means you don't get to kidnap and ransom value.
Wonderful. I never heard this one before.
That's one.
Hey God, I like this. Don't be small. I'm so enjoying this. So some of us get kidnap and ransom value. We don't know.
Now you get kidnap and ransom value.
Wow.
Now you no say you get,
You
but
get.
all of us get, depending on what you want take or
What you want
press.
show.
You want show, notice me them.
Okay.
To na low profile, na good. You know, say some people
Wonderful.
they where we call them Kora.
Okay.
I no go with all due respect, but
Yeah.
you know those people what would they
Yeah.
call Kora.
Yeah.
If you see some of them, their account balance, you go fall from this year.
Okay.
But they don't spend 10 years for this country. Now short car that they wear every day.
Every day.
They climb Okada.
Yeah.
Those ones they don't get ransom value.
Value. So nobody go look their
They don't
corner.
get kidnap value.
Okay.
But you need to go and see their bank balance. Now that time you go know say no before notice
Wonderful.
me the thing there now.
Yeah.
The final word where I want to share with country people be say, see, our size, we are so big, we are so many. Anywhere you go where Nigerians no day, not even in West Africa, in the whole world,
Yeah.
you leave that place in a nonsense country.
Okay.
Yes, we are too big for anybody
Yes.
to come and want to set us against each other.
Yeah.
Now lie. Today I dey tell you say Nigeria as you see am na like 36 big countries wey merge into one.
One.
If
Okay.
today 36 countries come out of Nigeria, call themselves Confederation of Nigerian whatevers,
Yes.
West Africa disappears.
Wonderful.
Because the whole West Africa na 18 now. If we become 36,
36 only us.
that means na 17 go remain for the rest of West Africa.
Yeah.
We don't collect West Africa now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Na him.
Yeah.
Na
True.
him.
Wetin make you feel say the terrorists dey so daring and bold in action and in words?
The thing be say they get person body language wey dem dey look. We all know who the person
Una hear
is.
that response? Talk am again.
They get person body language wey dem dey look. You know say for many forum I don talk and say they get bolder by the day.
Yes.
They are getting bolder and bolder.
Yes.
Ratata, as you be now,
Yeah.
let's assume say you be our father. You get 9 hefty sons. Me I come enter una yard slap you. And your sons just fold their hand, they smile, they
smile.
look. Now your eye they look now.
Yes.
Normally they go chop me raw.
Straight.
They get power to chop me raw.
Straight.
But when you see them they somehow.
Yeah.
Now papa eye language they look.
I'm okay with that response. All right, so thank you so much, sir. God will keep you. We thank God the God will keep you since in fact before service, during service, after service till now. The same God will keep you.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.